The Amazon Flex app is the main tool used by delivery drivers to pick up and deliver Amazon packages. To get started, download the app from the Amazon Flex website and sign up with your Amazon account. Once approved, you can begin scheduling delivery blocks. These are preset time slots during which you will deliver packages. To use the app, open it and tap Schedule to select available delivery blocks. Once your shift begins, head to the designated Amazon delivery station shown in the app. Check in using your phone and scan packages assigned to your route. The app will then generate a delivery route optimized by GPS. During deliveries, follow in-app navigation. At each stop, scan the package and mark it as delivered. If a recipient is unavailable and no secure drop-off location is available, follow the app's instructions for safe return or alternate delivery. The app also lets you report issues, contact support, and track your earnings. You're paid for completed blocks, not per delivery, with direct deposit occurring weekly. It's crucial to keep your app updated and maintain a reliable smartphone with a data plan and GPS.